So hindi pa po natatapos ang unang parte ng ating sayawan. This time, together with everyone here tonight, may we request everyone to please all stand. Come on, tayo po tayong lahat. Tayo po tayong lahat. Tayo po tayong lahat. And with our second music on board, let's play it. Come on, everyone. Let's all dance together with our conquerors and our executive on stage.
Seems like yesterday we used to rock the show. I laced the track, you locked the flow. So far from hanging on the block for dough. Notorious, they got to know that life ain't always what it seemed to be. Words can't express what you mean to me. Even though you're gone, we still a team. Through your family, I'll fulfill your dreams. In the future, can't wait to see if you open up the gates for me. Reminisce sometime, the night they took my friend. Try to black it out, but it plays again. When it's real, feeling's hard to conceal. Can't imagine all the pain I feel. Give anything to hear half your breath. I know you're still living your life after death.
Up to the last music, hindi pa po tapos. Let's now dance this last song with our executive and the conquerors. Of QY family, a big round of applause, and together let's shout QY Filipinas! Thank you so much everyone. Maraming salamat po for dancing with us.